In this video, I'll show you how you can change the page orientation of a file you're working on Microsoft Word. Simple and easy. So in this video, I'll show you how you can change for a single page and also all the pages. So this file in particular has 11 pages. You can see on here 11 pages. Let me scroll down. Good. So this is for tutorial. So I try to entail everything here. So let's say you want to change the page orientation for a single page. So you just tap on the page like this. So this page here. Now we move to layout. Good. And you can see orientation here. From layout, you move to orientation. You tap on that here. And now we can choose landscape. Already is on portrait. So we choose landscape here. And it should change. Good. Now let's scroll down here. And you see our page 2 alone is more on a landscape type or something. So you can see it's bigger than this. See the difference? Now let's revert our action here by tapping on this. Good, and it's back. So now let's say we want to change the page orientation for the whole page. So now let me just tap and Ctrl+A to select everything. And now we move to our page orientation and then we move it to landscape and then everything has been, changed. So every file here you can see has been changed here to a landscape type or something. So let's say you have some words and you also have a picture or a graph on it and you are trying to print it out. You want everything to appear. You just need to change the landscape or the orientation to landscape and you're good to go. Simple as that. Now I change it back to portrait and yes, I have my file back. So that's it on how you can, adjust your page orientation on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, you give me a like, you subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on Word on my channel. You can check that out. That's it for the video once again. Peace.